Today we continue with the theme, I am because we are when we care. Our reading is from Mark 6:34-44. As he went ashore, he saw a great crowd, and he had compassion for them, because they were like sheep without a shepherd, and he began to teach them many things. When it grew late, his disciples came to him and said, "This is a deserted place, and the hour is now very late. Send them away so that they can go into the surrounding country and villages and buy something for themselves to eat." But he answered them, "You give them something to eat." They said to him, "Are we to go and buy 200 denarii worth of bread and give it to them and eat?" And he said to them, "How many loaves have you got? Go and see." When they had found out, they said, 5 and 2 fishes. Then he ordered them to get all the people to sit down in groups on the green grass. So they sat in groups of hundreds and 50s. Taking the 5 loaves and the 2 fish, he looked up to heaven and blessed and broke the loaves and gave it to them, to his disciples, to set before the people, and divided the 2 fish among them as well. And all ate and were filled, and they took up 12 baskets full of broken pieces and of fish. Those who had eaten the loaves numbered 5,000 men. In the passage, we are given a glimpse into the heart of Jesus. As Jesus stands on the shore of the Sea of Galilee and looks over the crowd of thousands that followed him, he has compassion on them because they are like sheep without any shepherd. Jesus reveals himself as a shepherd who can provide for and fully satisfy all those who come to him. Through the feeding of the 5,000, we are reminded that Jesus, our good shepherd, can be trusted. Jesus leaves no room for doubt regarding his ability to provide. Mark said that every person ate and was satisfied. As we see the compassion of Jesus for the lost and wandering sheep, and the way he reveals himself as the one who can provide for his sheep, we should be reminded of the privilege we have to be invited into his care. In the same way, we need to care for those who have been sent along our path. When we live in community with other believers, we become aware of being part of the greater body of Christ. I am because we are.